So you are looking for an Amazon seller identity verification documents. Many people keep on asking me why they are getting declined or denied, and if you guys also don't know why, then keep on watching this video as I'll be explaining step by step about all the documents that are required for Amazon seller identity verification. All my students have 100% success rate and selling on Amazon successfully. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Sanya and I have been here to share with you the best Amazon FBA tips and tricks to help you get a lot of sales and have a six-figure or more income business empire. I'm the best Amazon FBA coach of 2018 and I believe that this is the place you want to be if you want a financial freedom. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for latest updates and step-by-step information about Amazon FBA. Moreover, in this video, I will be answering top 5 hot questions of beginners about Amazon seller identity verification documents. So keep watching till the end, guys. So without further delay, let's get to it. So guys, before we get to the documents, there are 4 things that you need to prepare beforehand. Phone number, address, zip code. Remember, zip code must match with the address. Number 2 is credit card. Number 3 is picture or scan of your national ID, passport or driver license. Number 4 is bank account information, account number, bank account statement or credit or debit card statements. You can even request for a pioneer statement in case your bank account statement was rejected. The statement must be issued within the last 90 days. Guys, you can also check my video here on how to log into your Amazon seller account step by step. I will also give the link down below in the description. In the past, Amazon used to have seller support and they had a phone number. A seller can reach out to Amazon directly and call them and then they would help you through the process. But at that time also, they were not always the best for help because it seemed like they were not very well educated when it came to Amazon selling. But it was a better option because it was better than nothing, right? Unfortunately, now that is finished and now it is a lot harder to communicate and talk to Amazon. If you have any problem, you need to email them now and they usually respond with automatic emails. That is why guys, I always say that it's very important that you guys should have a mentor or some sort of course to help you through the Amazon seller identity verification process as far as possible and with 100% success rate. Trust me guys, you are gonna have problems throughout your journey, then you definitely want to minimize it. So if you guys want to get into my private mentorship and become one of my students, then guys, you can go down below and I will leave the first link in the description to my mentorship and you guys can click on that link right away. So without delay guys, let's get to the first step is to check the country. Make sure that your country is able to sell on Amazon Marketplace because a lot of people create a seller account and then they realize that they cannot even sell on Amazon based on the country that they are living in. I'm going to show you guys a list that will show exactly every country that is able to sell on Amazon. If you do not see the country's name that you live in on this list, then unfortunately you cannot sell on Amazon. However, I have a pro tip here is that you can always ask your friends or family to make an Amazon seller account for you if they live in the accepted countries and then you can use that account for selling. I will give the link down below in the description. You can visit that link and check the countries which are accepted by Amazon. So make sure you go first through the list and then plan accordingly. The second step is guys that you must not be under 18 and you must hold the national ID, driver license or passport. I cannot emphasize much on the fact that the name on those documents that you submit should match, otherwise Amazon will reject the documents right away. All documents should be exact and consistent with your uploaded files. Name, address, basically all fields. It should be exactly what was shown in your credit card statements, and please don't try to write your own version of it. No version of your names. For the dollar sign or pound sign companies or corporation, they need to submit the government issued national ID for the primary contact or beneficial owner of the country. The requirements for Amazon seller identity verification driver's license, national ID or passport are: they must be a government issued identity card that is distributed and recognized by the country where you are a citizen or resident. Number 2 is the full name on the national ID should match the full name on your registered Amazon account. Number 3 is the scan the document in color or take a picture using your mobile device. Do not submit a screenshot. Black and white copies are not accepted. The image should show a full document page, and in case of national ID, both sides of the card are required. The next requirement is for multi-page files like ID card. Please merge the separate documents or images into one file. Again, the date of the birth in the documents should match the date of birth provided during the Amazon Seller Central registration process. Your identity document must be in one of the following languages, that is Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, or Spanish. If it is not, guys, then one of these languages, provide a copy of your passport or a notarized translation of your document in one of these languages. If you submit a copy of your passport, please ensure that the passport has the signature. Next is the document should be less than 10 MB in size. Accepted formats are PNG, TIFF, JPEG, or PDF. Do not include special characters in the file name like dollar and hashtag, etc. They are not accepted. Companies or corporations need to submit a government issued national ID for their primary contact or beneficial owner. Okay guys, now let's go to step number 3, that is credit card statements, bank statements, or utility bills. Scan the original document in color or take a picture using your mobile device. Guys, do not submit a screenshot of these documents as the documents should be easily readable. The requirements are: number 1, the name of the point of contact or the company mentioned on the statement should either match the point of contact name or business name provided during registration. Number 2, you can hide the currency amount, but the document must remain intact and other information clearly visible. Number 3, scan the original document in color or take a picture using your mobile device. Do not submit a screenshot. Number 4, documents should be easily readable and must have been issued within the past 90 days. Number 5, please do not submit a photo of your credit card or debit card. It won't be accepted. Once you submit your document properly, Amazon will ask you to wait for 2 to 3 business days. If your documents are declined, then on Amazon seller account, you will see a notification that says Amazon has been suspended your account. Click on the red flag or read more link to see all the performance notification. Please read the email carefully and all the notification and provide the requested documents as mentioned. Throughout your seller identification verification process, do use the Get Support button, available for sellers only who are professional, like they have the professional account, to get support regarding any questions or issues related to seller identity verification. If you want to know how to start Amazon FBA journey step by step, then do check out my video here. I will also link below in the description. Guys, as promised, now let's go to the top 5 questions that beginners face when submitting Amazon seller identity verification documents. Number 1, what if my documents is not in any of the supported languages? Seller can provide either their passport in Latin characters or a notarized translated copy of their government issued ID. Seller can also submit bank account statement or credit or debit card statements in Latin characters or notarized translated copy of the statement. Number 2, can I provide Pioneer or World First bank account statement? and the statement needs to be included in the transaction history. The verification team accepts bank account statement from any issuing bank, including Pioneer or World First, as long as the document clearly shows the correct account holder name and address and issued in last 90 days, it's fine. Transaction history is not needed. Sellers may hide the amount, but the rest of the document must be visible. Number 3. My name on Seller Central is a business name and the bank account holder name is with business name. Amazon matches information that is the person creating the account. During registration, if registration as a business, please enter business register name and primary point of contact full name. Name of the primary is then validated versus the national ID and the bank account or credit card statement. Number 4. I have existing Amazon seller account in Europe and have already passed KYC. Do I still need to submit required documents to complete new seller account registration on Amazon.com? Currently, yes. All sellers still need to pass verification process on Amazon.com. Number 5. What happens if submitted documents get rejected by verification team? Sellers will be informed by email or case log to provide correct documents. Okay guys, so if you have any questions about the Amazon seller identity verification documents, then you can comment below and I will answer your questions. I would love to hear your problems and solve them for you. So guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys go down below and hit the like and subscribe button. If you learned anything new, also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my personal mentorship down below and I will see you in the next video also. So see ya.